I'm Lisa. I chose Artisan Design Concepts because I had looked for several years for the right kind of countertop and couldn't find it. I realized that I could have it made exactly the way that I wanted it made, and it could be all one big piece. And so after looking for probably 5 years for a countertop, I ended up going with Artisan Design Concepts in order to get exactly what I wanted. And the biggest surprise of it all is how easy it is to keep clean. That I'm sure that Stacy told me that, but I did not remember that. They did all the demolishing for me. They even did it while I was on vacation. I came home and it was all done. I really liked what was going on with the countertop. Then I decided to also do the bathrooms, do all the countertops in the bathrooms as well. And I did some really unique things working with Stacy on those countertops. And I was actually in Hawaii and I took a picture of the colors, the ocean, what I wanted, and she created it exactly. And she sent a picture of my picture and a picture of what she had done, and it was perfect. So anytime anybody walks into my bathroom, they're just shocked. And that was a bit of a leap of faith, but Stacy was great at helping me become more comfortable with that kind of design. I walked in and said, okay, you ready to help me take a leap of faith here? And so it's turned out beautifully, and the master bath just looks great. It's exactly what I wanted. Again, I sent her a picture and said it was actually a picture of flooring. And I said, I want this on my counter, and then I want a little this, a little that, and she did it, and it's just perfect. It has an elegance to it, and I just love it. So I've had everything for a year now, and I'm still loving it.